The education system consists of 4 main levels. Elementary school, middle school, high school, and college form the complete structure. Each level builds upon the previous one with increasing academic complexity and independence. There are 4 main levels in the education system. Elementary school teaches basic skills and foundational knowledge. Middle school introduces more subjects and prepares students for advanced learning. High school focuses on college preparation and career exploration. College provides specialized higher education. Elementary school typically serves children ages 5 to 11 years old. Middle school covers ages 11 to 14. High school students range from 14 to 18 years old. College begins at age 18 and continues for several years depending on the program. 4 core subjects appear throughout all education levels. English language arts develops reading, writing, and communication skills. Mathematics builds problem-solving and logical thinking abilities. Science teaches observation, experimentation, and the natural world. Social studies and history provide understanding of societies, governments, and past events. Diagnostic assessment identifies what students already know at the beginning of learning. Formative assessment provides ongoing feedback during instruction to improve understanding. Summative assessment evaluates overall learning at the end of a unit or course. Project-based and skill-based assessments measure practical application of knowledge. Google Classroom serves as the central hub for assignments, grading, and communication. Kahoot creates interactive quizzes and educational games that engage students. Nearpod delivers interactive lessons with real-time polls and activities. ClassDojo manages classroom behavior and connects teachers with parents. Padlet provides digital bulletin boards for collaborative group work. Seesaw creates digital portfolios that showcase student progress to families. Flipgrid enables video discussions where students respond to prompts. Socrative offers real-time quizzes with immediate feedback results. Artificial intelligence personalizes learning by adapting content to each student's needs. Virtual reality and augmented reality create immersive learning experiences. Microcredentials provide recognition for specific skills through digital badges. Hybrid learning models combine online and in-person instruction effectively. Equity ensures all students have access to quality education regardless of background. Artificial intelligence empowers teachers with better planning and support tools. Sustainable education technology solutions work long-term without excessive costs. Data-driven learning customizes instruction based on individual performance. Artificial intelligence transforms lesson planning by creating customized materials quickly. Ethical artificial intelligence use requires proper teacher training and guidelines. Education technology prioritizes accessibility for all learners. Collaboration between educators drives innovation in classrooms.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.